Hi guys, my name is Anthony, and today I'll be showing you guys step by step how to see the people that don't follow you back on Instagram. First of all, if you guys already have an IDE and already have Python, this tutorial should be very easy, and you'll be using the Python file, having my GitHub, and using your Instagram data, obviously. For you non-coders and people who don't care for code at all, there will be a tutorial in the description on how to download programming language Python and VS Code because that's what I used in the tutorial. You don't need to know how to code. These two things are just necessary for analyzing data, and they're really easy to download. So you want to go to python.org or the first link in the description below, which will get you to here. And what you want to do is hover over downloads and click this button to download the Python installer. Next, you want to go on Visual Studio Code's website or the second link in the description below, and you want to click on the platform, which for me it's Windows 11, so I'll click this. And next, you'll have these two files in your downloads file, folder, or wherever you decided to put them. First, you want to open the Python setup, and for me it looks different, but I'll still run the setup. These are optional features, advanced options, and you want to click install or finish setup. Next, you want to run the setup for VS Code, and this one I also have installed already, so it'll look a little bit different from you guys, but it will be the same process nevertheless. Click accept agreement, and the important part is to create a desktop icon, so later on you can just drag your GitHub folder on top of VS Code and it'll open it. So next, install. Okay, once it's finished installing, you want to launch Video Studio Code and go on the left and where you see the boxes and you want to click the extensions. And here you want to search Python to make sure these two are installed. So how you install them is you click install and once it's installed, it'll look like this and have gear icons instead of the installed one. And that's it for this segment of the video. So yeah. Next, you want to go to your Instagram page, and this will be the desktop version of Instagram. So you click the More button on the bottom left, which you'll be greeted with settings. And once you click settings, you'll be on this screen. You want to click Count Centers, which is here. And this is the page you'll get, but I don't want to leak data, so I've already clicked on the necessary things, which is your information and permissions. Then what I did is I clicked download information, and you'll be prompted to ask the time frame you want to download uh, the data from, and you click all time because you want your data from all time, and then usually Instagram processes these requests relatively fast. So in less than an hour, you'll get an email basically telling you your download is ready and click the download button and it will be where you downloaded it. And I'll show you guys my GitHub link, which will be in the description below. And this is necessary. Uh, and how you download this is you click the green code button and download zip. And you have this file from GitHub and this file from Instagram. What you want to do with both of these is right click and extract all, right click and extract all, and you'll be given these two folders. And these two folders are basically the most important parts of this tutorial. So what you want to do now is go in your Instagram data folder. Uh, you'll see a lot of things, but you want to click connections, then followers and following. You'll be greeted with all of these files, but the only two files you need are followers one and following, which you can select. Then you open the GitHub file and you drag your own data and replace the example files that are in the folder, the GitHub folder. And what this does is basically it replaces the example files with your own files. Basically, these are just like fake usernames to compare with each other to tell you basically that the program works. But what you want is your followers and your following, which you'll give the file. And what you do next is very easy. You have the place where you replace the follower one and following, and you just drag this folder into VS Code. But once you drag that folder into VS Code, it should look something like this. And you just want to click on the Python file, or like if you don't know coding, it's the file that has the blue and yellow. You want to click that, and you want to click the run button or the play button, and you'll see that it shows you the number of people that don't follow you back and the usernames of those people. So let's say I had 7 people that did not follow me back. It would show that here, and it would show those 7 people's usernames down here. Uh, but that's all. I hope you've been able to follow the tutorial and everything makes sense and works properly. But if you guys have any questions, please write them below and I'll answer them for you guys. But thank you for watching.